Hi guys, let's see how to fix error 2503 and 2502. So what you have to do, you have to just open File Explorer and now just go inside your C drive and then go inside the Windows folder. Now here Windows folder, in the Windows folder just locate temp folder. Right click on the temp folder, click on properties, click on security. Now click on advanced. Now click on continue. Now double click on each of this and make sure that all of them have full control, okay, including the users and administrators. Double click on users, check all these options, click on OK. Similarly, double click on administrator, make sure all these are checked and click on OK. And after that, click on apply, click on OK, click on apply and OK, and your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. Please do like the video to support us, and thanks for watching the video.